Hi everyone, welcome to Folk Academy. In this video, we are going to write a program to find the factorial of a given number in Python. So first of all, take the number, that is number, and give that by using input method, enter number. So initially consider that the factorial is equal to 1. So I am taking that initially the factorial is equal to 1. Now we have three conditions are there for factorial. So if the number is less than 0, that means it is a negative number, then the factorial does not exist. So if the given number less than 0, so it is nothing but print the factorial does not exist. Suppose if if the given number is equal to 0, so for 0 factorial we know that it is 1. So print 0 factorial is 1. Else run the code for another number. Means else apply for loop. So for I in range from 1 to number. So here number also consider, that's why I'm taking number plus 1. Now update the fact value. Initially I take the fact value is 1. So fact becomes fact into I. So this is the I value. I'm going to product each every loop and finally update this value. So then print the factorial for given number is fact. So here the updated fact is written here. So here this is string. Now run the code. So I want a 5 factorial value. So enter 5 here. Now enter. Turns the factorial for 5 is 120. So 5 factorial is 120. Now rerun the code. Now I want 10 factorial value. So it returns 10 factorial value. So and this is the process to write the code in Python for factorials. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.